Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android Studio and syncing the project so changes compile fast. Find the app module, then open src/main/Android manifest. XML and res/values/styles. XML, these hold the default splash configuration. Once done, make a quick backup or commit to version control. This prevents accidental regressions. You need to understand whether the splash is an activity, a theme window background, or a drawable. That determines which file you'll edit. Now move to the manifest to locate the splash activity entry. You will now remove the splash by editing the manifest and theme files. First, delete or comment out the splash activity's intent filter and launcher category so the app launches the main activity instead. Next, open Styles. XML and replace the splash theme's window background with your app's normal theme or a transparent layer. This prevents the extra splash frame. Also remove any references to a drawable resource used exclusively for the splash, and make sure the launcher icon remains untouched so the home screen still shows correctly. Finally, clean, rebuild, and run the app on an emulator and a physical device to confirm the splash is gone. You want to test cold start and warm start. If a brief flash remains, inspect your launch activity for layout inflation or heavy work on the main thread and defer that work or show a placeholder view. If the app crashes, open Logcat and search for theme inflation or resource not found errors. Make necessary corrections, or restore your backup and apply changes incrementally to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.